Hello everyone, I'm CheCo and behind me I got the massive AG493UCX2 by AOC. A 49-inch diagonal with 5120 by 1440p resolution, 165 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, and a 1800 R of curvature radius. This monitor is not probably just the biggest ultra-wide gaming monitor that you can find out there. It's also the cheapest one, coming out around £700. What you pay for that? It's a 5K resolution display in horizontal with HDR 400 dual quad high definition, a VA panel, and a 3000:1 contrast ratio. And if you want to use this monitor for video editing, content creation, Photoshop, or any type of creative artistic task, it's got a 91 DCI P3 space with 98% Adobe RGB and 100% NTSC color space. And the dimension is super big. For the weight, if you want to know the weight, it's 14.5 kilograms. But now, if you're wondering who is this massive 49-inch monitor for, well, it's anyone that likes sim racing, that like flight simulators, like farm simulator, like story game modes. Do not buy this monitor if you are pretending to be a professional Call of Duty, Counter-Strike, Apex, or many other shooters, because it's too much screen in the screen. You would get 24, maybe a 34, or even a 32 that I normally got. This is probably too much for shooters. I've tried it. It's perfect for TikTok. If you turn it around, you literally got 49-inch of TikTok and any vertical content. But talking about who is it for, it's like how you can connect this thing is incredible, because you got DisplayPort, you got two HDMIs, USB-C with 65 watts, 3 USB-A that they are downstream. Now, including the box, you got all the paper that you need, and you got a HDMI cable, DisplayPort, USB-C to USB-C, and a power cable. And if you buy this thing, the box is huge. I couldn't do it in here. I needed to go outside and actually open the box because it's so big. But it's super easy to mount. The stand that I got it here on my hand, it just clips on top and it's beautiful and it's all adjustable. And you also got loads of controls with the included remote. No more fiddling around with some buttons and some nipple things and nothing. Is remote. Just a remote. It's so easy. But with this remote, you can go from the picture-in-picture mode, turn it on and off, put the volume up and down, navigate through OSD that you got over there on the corner, and you can go through all the different gaming modes and multimedia mode and creative mode as well, just to give you the perfect color accuracy pictures and everything that you need. But you got brightness and you got volume, because yeah, it got 5-watt speakers that they actually sound really good. Very impressed with that. And I've been using this thing for about 3 weeks now. Unboxing experience was incredible, and just using the thing was so nice. So to wrap things up, the AG493UCX2 from AOC is an exceptional ultra-wide monitor that checks all the right boxes with a stunning 5120 by 1440p resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and that immerse 49-inch screen it's a dream. It's a dream for gamers, it's a dream for content creators like myself, and the wide color gamut, HDR support, all the connectivity options from HDMI, DisplayPort, USB, just got it, everything. So if you're considering yourself for a ultra wide in the market, this is probably one of the biggest ones you can find there. 49 inches. So thanks for watching, and CheCo. and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.